In a shocking turn of events, we bring you the decade-long argument between two science enthusiasts, Derek and Dylan. This isn't your everyday debate, folks. We're talking about the existence of air and dark matter, subjects that have stirred up quite a storm in their scientific circles. Derek, a staunch advocate for the tangible, insists on the palpability of air, while Dylan, the cosmic dreamer, champions the elusive dark matter. Their incessant bickering has made them notorious in their workplace, much to the chagrin of their colleagues, JJ and David. From heated lunchtime debates to full-blown presentations in the break room, their relentless arguing has turned their office into a veritable battlefield of scientific theories. The question remains, who's on the right side of this scientific rift? Or is this just a case of two incredibly stubborn minds refusing to back down? Stay tuned as we dive into the depths of this ongoing debate. Who's right? Who's wrong? Or are they both just incredibly stubborn? Let's find out. Welcome back to the heated discussion between Derek and Dylan, the science enthusiasts who've turned their workplace into a battleground. Derek, the air defender, steps up to the plate first. He argues that air's existence is undeniable. He points out that we breathe it, we feel it on a windy day, and it's what allows birds to fly and kites to soar. Derek passionately explains how air, composed primarily of nitrogen and oxygen, sustains life on Earth. He discusses the role of air in weather patterns, the water cycle, and even in the very sound waves that are allowing us to hear this debate. But Dylan, the dark matter champion, is unmoved. He counters, stating that just because we can't see or touch dark matter doesn't mean it's not real. He reminds us that dark matter, although elusive, makes up roughly 80% of the universe. Dylan argues that it's dark matter's gravitational effects that hold galaxies together, including our very own Milky Way. He asserts that without dark matter, the universe as we know it wouldn't exist. The intensity of the debate escalates, and in swoop JJ and David, hoping to bring some order to the scientific chaos. JJ, with a weary sigh, reminds Derek and Dylan that both air and dark matter have their places in the universe, and one's existence doesn't negate the other's. David, rubbing his temples, adds that the beauty of science is in its diversity, and that differing theories and interpretations are what fuel progress and discovery. But Derek and Dylan are too entrenched in their debate to heed their words. They continue to spar, presenting evidence, countering claims, and passionately defending their respective corners. Will this debate ever reach a conclusion? Or will Derek and Dylan continue to lock horns over air and dark matter? In a surprising turn of events, it seems the feud might finally be coming to an end. Our very own Derek and Dylan, the two science enthusiasts who've been at loggerheads for over a decade, have had a sudden realization. They've been caught in a whirlwind of words, arguing over the existence of air and dark matter, each holding their ground with a tenacity that's admirable, albeit a little exhausting for their friends JJ and David. But today they've acknowledged the futility of their argument. Yes, you heard it right. Derek and Dylan, in a moment of epiphany, have decided to agree to disagree. Their differing views on air and dark matter will no longer be a bone of contention, but rather a testament to their unique perspectives. They've made up, promising to remain friends despite their differences. And that's the end of the decade-long debate. Derek and Dylan have finally found common ground. This might not be the resolution we were expecting, but it's a resolution nonetheless. Until the next argument, this is your anchor signing off.